Hello friends, I hope you all doing well. Now I am going to explain about analogy, which is an important topic for SSC exams. Here analogy, the term means ana means relation, logos means knowledge. Analogy means a common feature which aimed at overall knowledge, IQ and the power of decision making. Let's come to the first question. Delhi is related to India in the same way as Paris is related to. Options are Germany, England, Canada, France, Indonesia. Here, the only hint is you guys have to observe the phrases. So, Delhi is related to India in the same way Paris is related to what? So, if you observe this, here the term is the capital. Delhi is the capital of India. In the same way, Paris is the capital of which country? So the right answer is France. So this is the right answer. So for Germany, Berlin is the capital, and for England, London is the capital. For Canada, Ottawa, and for Indonesia, Jakarta is the capital. So you have to remember all these points, and all these capitals are available in the PDF which is available in our EduRapid website. So please log into our website and read. So Delhi is the capital of India. Similarly, Paris is the capital of France. Next question. Gujarat is related to Gandhinagar in the same way as Tamil Nadu is related to dash. Options are Bangalore, Chennai, Dispur, Chandigarh, Amaravati. If you observe here, Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. So in the same way, which city is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Here it is state capital. In the earlier question, it is a country's capital. So here the right answer is Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. So option B. So if you see the other options, Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Dispur is capital of Assam. Chandigarh is capital of Punjab, and Amaravati is capital of Andhra Pradesh. So in this way you have to observe what are the relations they have asked. So here in this question it is a state capitals. So you have to study all the capitals of all states. See, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu are the two states, and here Gandhinagar is the capital of state Gujarat. So in the same way, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Next question. Italy is related to lira. In the same way, Greece is related to what? Options are shekel, quetzal, krona, dachma, peso. So if you observe here, Italy is related to lira. So if you observe all this, sometimes if you don't get in a question, so please observe all these options so that you may get some points. So here Italy currency is lira. In the same way, Greece currency is what? So here the question is based on currency. So Greece currency is drachma. So shekel is the currency of Israel and Palestine. Quetzal is the currency of Guatemala. Krona is currency of Sweden. Peso is currency of Philippines. So you have to remember all the countries' currencies. All these are available in our website EduRapid. So please log in our website and read all these PDFs. All these PDFs are available in our channel EduRapid. So here Italy is a current country as I told earlier, and its currency is called lira. Similarly, Greece is a country and its currency is drachma. Next question. Japan is related to diet. In the same way, Iran is related to dash. Options are Majlis, National People's Congress, I think Shura, People's Consultative Assembly. So Japan is related to diet. So in the same way, Iran is related to what? So if you observe the options, so it is based on parliament. So Japan parliament is called Diet. In the same way, Iran parliament is called Majlis. So National People's Congress, this parliament is called in China. So I think is Island Parliament. Shura is Afghanistan Parliament. And another one, People's Consultative Assembly. This is Indonesia Parliament. So you have to remember all the countries' parliament. So the right answer is Majlis. Here Japan parliament is called that. Similarly in the same way Iran parliament is called Majlis. Next question. Baseball is related to United States of America. In the same way, badminton is related to dash. Options are England, Russia, Indonesia, China, Brazil. So if you observe this question, baseball is related to United States of America. That means this is the national games. USA national game is baseball. So here question is based on country national games. In the same way, badminton is related to Indonesia. National game of Indonesia country is badminton. In England, cricket is the national game. In Russia, chess. Chess game is the national games. In China, table tennis. Table tennis is the national game. And at last in the Brazil, football is the national game. So you have to remember all these points. All these country national games of this PDF available in our website EduRapid. Please go through it. So the right answer is Indonesia. Baseball is the national game of USA and badminton is the national game of Malaysia. That is Indonesia. Next question. Horse is related to mare. In the same way, tiger is related to what? Options are tigress, bitch, lioness, queen, hen. If you observe, horse is related to mare. That means horse is male part and its female part is mare. So here the question is based on sex relationship with male and female. So in the same way, tiger is related to what? So the right answer is tigress. So in the same way, For tigress, the male part is tiger, and for bitch, the male part is dog, and for lioness, the male part is lion. For queen, the male part is tom, also called that is cat. For the animal cat, the male part is called tom and the female part is queen. And last one, hen, the male part of this is rooster. This is called for chicken. So these are the relationship for male and female animals. So the right answer is tigress. Here, male and female relationship has been shown. For the horse is a male part and for female counterpart is male. The similar way, tiger is a male part and that female part counterpart is tigress. Next question. Calf is related to cow in the same way puppy is related to dash. Options are nightingale, dog, horse, sheep, monkey. So this is the calf is related to cow. That means calf is the baby of cow. So in the same way puppy is related to what? So this question is based on parents and child relationship. So puppy is the baby of dog. So the right answer is dog. So chick is the baby for nightingale. And for horse it is called foal. Baby name for horse is foal. And for sheep they called lamb or lambkin. And for monkey the baby part is called infant. So these are the points you should be remembered. So the right answer is dog. Calf is the baby of cow. Similarly, the baby dog is called puppy. So this question is based on parent and child relationship. Next question. Cub is related to lion in the same way bunny is related to dash. Options are rabbit, cattle, kangaroo, zebra, tiger. So this also related to parent and child relationship. Cub is the baby of lion. So bunny is related to which animal? So this is called for rabbit. Also sometimes it is called kitten or kit. And for cattle, the baby is called calf. For kangaroo, they called joy. And for zebra, they called colt or foal. And for tiger, they called cub or whelp. So this is also parents and child relationship. So the right answer is rabbit. Next question. Barking is related to dog in the same way as mewing is related to dash. Options are grasshopper, goat, mosquito, cat, monkey. Barking is related to dog, so mewing is related to which animal? So if you observe, this is the animal and this individual trait, that is sounds, sounds of animal. So this question is based on sounds of animals. So mew is related to cat. So the right answer is option 4, cat. So let me see the options. Grasshopper, their sound is called chirp. And for goat, they called bleat or ma. And for mosquito, sounds are buzz or whine. And for monkey, sounds are scream or sometimes it's called chatter. So these are the points you should be remember, and all these are PDF available in our channel EduRapid. So the right answer is cat. The sound of dog is called barking. So similarly, the sound made by cat is called mewing. Next question. Stable is related to horse in the same way as den is related to dash. Options are bee, spider, lion, snake, tiger. So in the question, they are given stable is related to horse. That means this is the animal and its habitat relationship. This question is based on animal and its habitat relationship. So in the same way, den is related to lion. The habitat of the animal lion is called den. So the living place of bee is called hive. The living place of spider is called web. And the living place of snake is called nest. And the last one, the living place of tiger is called lair. So you have to remember all these points and try to study all the animals and its habitat relationship. So the right answer is lion. Here the living place of horse is called stable and that of lion is called den. Next question. Court is related to lawyers in the same way as hospital is related to dash. Options are clerk, teacher, doctors, professor, cook. Here, court is related to lawyers. That means this is the work and working place relationship. This question is based on worker and working place relationship. So in the same way, hospital is related to doctor, the place where doctor lives, and clerk. And let me see the options. So here the right answer is doctor. Okay, come to the first one, clerk. Clerks are usually stay in office and teachers are stay in school and professors are stay in colleges and cook is he or she stays in kitchen. So this question is based on worker and working place relationship. So the right answer is doctor. Here, lawyer plead in a court and doctors practice in the hospital, sometimes called clinic. So this question is based on worker and working place relationship. Next question. Pencil is related to paper in the same way saw is related to dash. Options are wood, paper, cloth, eye, none of this. So here pencil is related to paper. That means this is based on tool and object relationship. Tool and the object it works. Tool and that object works in relationship. So in the same way, saw is related to wood. So we'll see the other options. Paper. So here may use in the tools are pen, erasers or pencils. And for the cloths, the tool are scissors or sewing machine. And coming to the eye, it is related to eyeball or retina. So these are the points you should be remember. So the right answer is wood. Coming to the next question, hunter is related to gun in the same way barber is related to what? Options are bat, scissors, brush, hammer, pen. So here hunter is related to gun. So that means here worker and what the tool he used. So in the same way barber and the what tool he used. So this question is based on worker and tool based analogy or what relationship. So bat is used by cricketer. So scissors are used by barber. So the right answer is option 2. Usually brush is used by painter. Hammer is used by blacksmith. So pen is used by writer. So here they are asking barber is related to what? So scissor is the right answer. That is option 2. So here hunter uses tool gun in the same way scissors is used by barber. Next question. Work is related to tiredness in the same way race is related to what? Options are freshness, kill, energy, disease, fatigue. So here work is related to tiredness. That means work is the act and here it is the tiredness is the effectness. So this question is based on causes and effect based analogy. And here for the race, what is it is related and the here the race is cause and what is the effect from this. So here I'll write down the causes and what are the effects for that. So the first one is bath. If you take bath, so the effect of this is freshness. That is first option. And for the second option, kill. So if you shoot, the effect is kill. And the next one is energy. So the right answer is food. If you take the food, then energy is the effect for that. Next one, disease. For this, infection is the cause. And finally, fatigue. So this causes due to rays. So all this is based on causes and effects. So the right answer is fatigue. For the term race, the effect is fatigue. So you have to remember all these cause and effects. So the right answer is fatigue. Next question. Distance is related to mile in the same way mass is related to watt. Options are meter, watt, degree, Newton, kilogram. Here distance is measured in mile in the same way mass is measured in watt. This question is based on quantity and unit based analogy. So here for the mass, the right answer is kg. Usually mass is calculated in kg, that is kilogram. That is option 5. Let me see the other options. Meter is usually measured in length and watt is for power. Degree is measured for temperature. Newton is for force. So you have to remember all the quantities and its units. All these are available. All these PDFs are available in our website EduRapid. Please go through it. So here distance is measured in mile. In the same way mass is measured in kg. All this is measurements. Next question. Pedology is related to soil in the same way petrology is related to what? Options are rock, petrol, fossil, plants, none of this. If you observe, pedology is related to soil. That means it is based on scientific study. These questions is based on scientific studies. And in the same way, petrology is related to what? And this is called for rock. Study of rock is called petrology. So the option 1 is right. And the study of petrol is called gasoline. And the study of fossil is called paleontology. And the study of plants is called botany. So you have to remember all these points. That is what scientific studies. Terms used for scientific studies. So scientific study of soil is called pedology. So similarly, scientific study of rocks is called petrology. Next question. Yarn is related to fabric in the same way milk is related to what? Options are bread, wine, curd, rubber, juice. So yarn is related to fabric. That means here it for the product and what is the raw material for that product. So this question is based on product and raw material. And the raw material is milk and that of for the end product is what? So the end product for the milk is curd. So the right answer is option 3. So let me see the remaining options. Raw material, this is the raw material, end of the raw material, bread. And for this, the right answer for the raw material is flour. Using that, we get the end product of bread. And for wine, grape is the raw material. And for rubber, latex is the raw material. And for juice, fruits is the raw material. These are the what? Raw materials. And these options are end product of raw material. So the right answer is curd. For the term milk, so you have to remember all these points, this product and the raw materials of this product. So as I told, for the yarn is the raw material and the end product of this raw material is fabric. So in the same way, milk is the raw material and the end product of that raw material is curd. Next question. Red is related to danger. In the same way, white is related to what? Options are flood, hospital, peace, sorrow, fortune. So here red is related to danger means it is a symbolic based relationship. So this question is based on symbolic relationship based analogy. And that color what it represents. In the same way, white is related to what? So the right answer is the white is related to peace. So the right answer is option 3. Flood is related to yellow color. And the hospital is related to red cross. And sorrow is symbolic represents black color. And last one, fortune, it represents swastik. So these are the points you should be remembered. And what are its symbolic representation? Next question. Ranji Trophy is related to cricket. In the same way, Thomas Cup is related to what? Options are hockey, lawn tennis, tennis, badminton, Walker Cup. Here, Ranji Trophy is related to cricket. That means this is the trophy and represents the game. So this is based on trophy, and game-based analogy. So in the same way, Thomas Cup is related to which sport? So it is the right answer is badminton. That is option 4. Let me see the other options. For the game hockey, the trophies are usually Dhyan Chand Cup or Dhyan Chand Trophy. And for the lawn tennis, they called White Man Cup. And for the tennis, they called Davis Cup. And for badminton, they called Thomas Cup or sometimes called Uber Cup. And last one, Walker Cup. This for the game golf. So these are the trophies and the related games you should be remember. Next question. Bastar Dasara is related to Chhattisgarh in the same way as Losar festival is related to which state? Options are Arunachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Ladakh. Bastar Dasara is related to Chhattisgarh. So this is based on festival, state, states festival based analogy. So in the same way, Losar festival is related to which state? So the right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, Losar festival is celebrated. Coming to the other options, in Jharkhand, Tusu festival is celebrated. And in Meghalaya, Cherry Blossom Festival. And in Nagaland, Meetem New or usually Hornbill Festival is celebrated. So these are the important points you should be remember. In Ladakh, Sindhu Darshan or Hymns Festival. So these are the festivals celebrated in those states. Also, you have to remember the other states festival that all PDF are available in our website EduRapid. Please go through it. Next question. Valmiki National Park is related to Bihar in the same way Sultanpur National Park is related to which state? Options are Goa, Haryana, Jharkhand, Punjab, Nagaland. So here Valmiki National Park is related to Bihar. So in the same way Sultanpur National Park is related to which state? So this question is based on national parks. If you know the national parks of all states, it's very easy to answer this question. So the right answer is Sultanpur National Park is it's located in Haryana. Let me see the other options. In Goa, Bhagwan Mahavir National Park is located. Bhagwan Mahavir National Park. NP means National Park. In Haryana, as I told, Sultanpur National Park, and also Kalesar National Park is also located. And in Jharkhand, Betla National Park, also Hazaribagh National Park. These two national parks are in Jharkhand. And next in Punjab, Harike Wetland. Only one park, that is Harike Wetland. It is in Punjab. And coming to the Nagaland, Nathangi National Park. So it is located in Nagaland. So you have to remember all the states' national parks. This PDF also is available in our website. Please go through that. Next question. Parambikulam is related to Kerala in the same way Kaziranga is related to which state? Options are Assam, Bihar, Mizoram, Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh. Here, Parambikulam is related to Kerala. So this is Tiger Reserve. This question is based on tiger reserves located in all states. So if you know this, then this question is very easy for you. In the same way, Kaziranga is related to which state? So the right answer is Assam. It is located in Assam. Kaziranga is located in Assam. And coming to the other options, that is Bihar, Valmiki Tiger Reserve is located. And in Mizoram, Dampa Tiger Reserve is located in Mizoram. And in Uttarakhand, Corbett and also Rajaji. These two tiger reserve located in Uttarakhand. And coming to the Andhra Pradesh, Nagarjun Sagar, Srisailam. Nagarjun Sagar, Srisailam Tiger Reserve located in Andhra Pradesh. Also, all these PDF also available in our website, EduRapid. Please go through it. And this also important question. Definitely, this type of questions you will get in exams. Next question. Pakyong is related to Sikkim. In the same way, Sri Guru Ram Das Ji is related to which state? Options are Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Punjab. Pakyong is related to Sikkim. So this is airport based analogy. If you know the airports, what are the different airports located in different states, then this question is easy for you. In the same way, Sri Guru Ram Das Ji is located in, this airport is located in which state? So the answer is Punjab. So this one located in Punjab, Sri Guru Ram Das Ji. Coming to the other options, in Nagaland, Dimapur airport is located. And in Mizoram, Lengpu airport is located. And in Meghalaya, Zaruki airport is located. Zaruki International Airport. And in Manipur, Tulihal Airport. So all these are important. You have to remember and try to remember all the states airport. So this type of question also you may get in exam. Next question. Arun Jaitley Stadium is related to Delhi in the same way as Wankhede is related to dash. Options are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Gujarat, Tripura. Arun Jaitley Stadium is related to Delhi. So this question is based on stadiums. So in the same way, Wankhede is related to what? This stadium is located in which state? So the right answer is Maharashtra. Wankhede Stadium is located in Maharashtra. Now let me see the other options. In Tamil Nadu, M.A. Chidambaram Stadium is located. And in West Bengal, Eden Gardens. This stadium is Eden Garden is located in West Bengal. And in Gujarat, CL Sport Complex. This stadium CL Sport Complex is located in Gujarat. And last one in Tripura, Maharaja Birbikam Stadium is located. Maharaja Birbikram. So all these stadiums you should be remember, and also try to remember all the states of stadium located in which states. All these PDF are available in our website EduRapid. So please log in and study all this PDFs. What I explained, all these questions are very important for analogy, that is for SSC exams. Thank you.